Hi, welcome to PHP tutorial. This is a list of instructions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found at this URL. It is case sensitive, which is here. Before you learn PHP, you need to know how to write HTML documents, how to program properly, how to program in JavaScript will help. That learning takes around, I would say, 100 hours. You can find the notes here and here at these two web pages. Okay, so let's say you already know how to do HTML, CSS coding. You also know a little bit of JavaScript coding. It's good to start PHP. And to install PHP engine, you need to install xampp. That is to set up the environment. You can follow this link to go to xampp, okay, which is here. It has an Apache web server. It has a MySQL database. The open source version is called MariaDB. I'm going to just call it MySQL. It has a PHP engine and Pro, which we are not going to cover. You can download it from here, but you can also download different versions at download link. I'm going to download from there. As you can see, the version here is 7.4.3. Of course, when you view this video, this version will change, okay? But that's fine. I'm going for a slightly different version here. I'm going to go for 7.2.28. Okay. So I'm going to download the 64-bit version. My computer is obviously 64-bit, 8 gig RAM. So let's click on download button here. Okay, so that's for Windows. And so you can check the download link. Okay, so that's the file. It takes around 7 minutes to download. I'm not going to wait for it to finish, or else this video would be another 7 minutes longer. So I'm going to wait for it to finish, and I'm going to stop the video. In the next video, we are going to continue from here. Okay, thank you. See you later.